Whoa!
Whoa!
So today we're the Crunch Cooks.
The Cooking Bros.
Cooking Bros.
So today's gonna be one of our first cooking episodes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cook for you guys. We're actually gonna show you some of the recipes that you guys have been requesting. And one of the top ones was the MacBokki. So it's the macaroni tteokbokki recipe that we did. So first we're gonna show you guys how to cook it, and then we're gonna eat it. So we'll show you guys how to make it.
It takes a long time because you have to bake it.
You're right. So we're gonna cook it and then bake it. Ready? So first we have an induction. Got this awesome pan. If you guys haven't seen it yet in some of our videos and on our TikToks and our Instagram, it's a handmade from Michael. It's from Michael Lifestyles. It's a handmade iron pan. Look at this thing. This thing's huge. This thing's awesome. It's actually hand hammered. We actually have a link in the description. So if you guys want to get one of these too, these things are awesome. It actually works with induction cooking because it's iron. Jordan actually cooks a lot on his Easy Peasy channel. So he does a lot of cooking on his Easy Peasy channel.
I was not the first time cooker.
Oh yeah, you're right. So this is not your first cooking video, but you've done Easy Peasy cooking, huh?
Yeah.
So go check out his videos.
But
he does a lot of cooking.
But Daddy, this cooking show is Daddy's first time cooking in the Crunch Bro family.
Whoa! Cool. So, I forgot it. Oh, not yet. Well, okay, not yet. Daddy's gonna tell you when, okay? So we're gonna set this to kind of a low temperature. Probably like, we'll start at 300. What do you want to start with?
Butter.
Butter. Let's throw the butter in. So this is 4 tablespoons of butter. I was gonna use bacon fat because we cooked off some bacon bits for it, but I dropped it. So I lost the bacon fat. So we're gonna use butter. Throw it in. All right, so the butter's gonna melt down. Let's get you got a cooking spoon too. And then we're gonna throw the milk in. I made it easy so you can pop the top. Boom.
All of it?
Yeah, so you can start pouring it in. Maybe I'll do 260. Okay, nice and slow. Go, go, go. So this is about 2 cups of milk. We'll have all the ingredients and the measurements and how much it makes all down in the description. So check out the description down below for the actual recipe for it, okay? So that's 2 cups of milk right there. Good idea. Let's stir it. So we want to bring this to a good, kind of almost a boil. We want it to be warmed up. We want it to be a little boil. Okay, so this is we have onion powder. This is a tablespoon of onion powder. This is a tablespoon of garlic powder. Onion and garlic. And then there's chicken bouillon base stock, chicken stock base right here, or bouillon cube, a bouillon, chicken bouillon cube. Can you say that?
Chicken bouillon cube.
Oh, you did it. Chicken bouillon cube right here. And then we have some salt, some pepper.
Look, it's getting smaller.
You're right, because it's going to melt. Nice. Good job. Keep stirring it. So we want to make sure we melt off that butter. And then here's 3 cheese right here. So we'll have an overhead shot of this. So there's like a 3 cheese right here that's shredded. And we'll toss that in. So we're going to make that cheese sauce. And then to thicken it, we have some flour right here. And then we'll top it off with Panko crust. With Panko, and we'll make it like a nice crust. Nice. So we're going to keep mixing it until it mixes up. Nice. Look at that. So it's dissolving away. There's a slight steam coming off of it now, so the milk is getting nice and warm. So this would be it. This is
butter.
Oh, it's all gone now. Nice. So this is a pretty easy recipe to do with kids or for yourself. Nice. We're going to let it melt away, and we want it to disappear. Okay, so now let's get our whisk. You got your whisk? And then we're going to put our seasonings in. So put the first one in. The first one is
onion powder.
Onion powder. Nice. Nice. So we'll dissolve that in. Use your whisk. Nice.
Mommy got this for me.
You're right, she did. Because it's Jordan sized. Okay, what's next?
Leo.
That one is garlic powder. Ooh, it's gonna be nice and good. Ooh, nice. Okay, next.
Chicken bouillon.
Nice. So it'll have like a nice chickeny flavor to it. Okay. And then take some salt. You don't have to put all of it. Just take a nice pinch out of there. No. Take it, yeah. And then sprinkle it in. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. Keep going. Just a little bit more. Nice. All right. So next, you want to add some pepper. So you could dump the pepper in. Nice. Look at that. Smells good?
It smells like I have to eat it right now.
Oh my goodness. So we want to stir. We got to make sure all the seasoning and everything is all nice and incorporated, so we won't have any clumps. Here is 2 cups of flour. Okay, so you're gonna toss that in, and you're gonna get your whisk afterwards, and we're gonna mix it. Nice. Okay. And we're gonna whisk it. We're gonna whisk it in. You don't want any clumps. No clumps.
No clumps.
No clumps. We don't want any clumps. So it's gonna whisk in, so it's nice and smooth. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. Because look at how thick this is already. So that's a nice thick sauce already. That happened fast. A couple of seconds. Now the induction heat is off, okay? So we want to mix this so it's nice and smooth. You want to mix too? Okay, mix.
Ooh, it's thick.
It's so thick already. So the flour thickens it pretty quick. Nice, look at that. That looks good. Now we're gonna put, this is 2 cups. So we wanna save some of this cheese so we could top it off. So we'll save about that much. So maybe about a half a cup or so. Okay, go ahead and mix it, keep mixing until it gets nice and melty. All right, so we have, this is 1 kilogram. So I think 2.2 pounds of rice cake. Yeah, keep going. Here, let me turn off the heat a little bit. You can pick this up at your Asian grocery store. It comes in these packages. And all you have to do is open it. And then we're gonna toss it into our bake tray. You wanna make sure you take out the little do not eat packet. And then, so we have our rice cakes in our baking tray. Nice. Ooh, look at how cheesy that is. Okay.
This is easy peasy crunch bros.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna throw our bacon bits in there.
Mix it.
And then we're gonna just take it and we're gonna straight onto here. So now you're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna spoon all of this onto here. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. It's so ooey gooey. Nice. Now we need to mix it all up. And mix it in. Whoa, nice. Now that everything's mixed pretty well and it's got all coated in that cheesy mixture, you want to spread it out pretty evenly. Okay. Now we're going to take our panko breadcrumbs. And we're going to you can start sprinkling it, okay? You want just enough to cover everything. You don't want too much unless you like a really crusty one. And just to make it extra cheesy, we're going to take the rest of our cheese and just sprinkle some on top. But you just want just enough to get a nice golden brown crust.
All of it?
Sure, we can put all of it. Nice, look at that.
Let's get more cheese.
Okay, look at that.
I like mine cheesy.
You do? Okay, and then we're gonna do more breadcrumbs. Just a bit more like this.
Why?
Because it'll be super crunchy.
You like yours crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
I like mine super cheesy.
And ready?
Ching.
Ching! We'll see you guys in a little bit. We're going to go bake this now. Whoa. Okay.
Ching!
So we baked it at 450 for 20 minutes. And then we broiled it for about 2 minutes or until it got about golden brown like this. Take a look. Whoa!
Ooh.
And that's how you make it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Crunch Bros Cooking.
Crunch Bros Cooking.
Whoa.
Bye.